Hello from Simulations Plus, the creators of GastroPlus software. My name is Andy Miller, Project Manager for our Learning Services Department. It is my pleasure to share with you some upcoming GastroPlus training opportunities in early 2022. We kick off the new year with our monthly complimentary Introduction to GastroPlus training sessions. These single-day hands-on sessions provide you with instruction on the GastroPlus user interface and cover basic software operations. This training caters to users new to the software, returning after an extended hiatus, or switching to an updated version of GastroPlus. Access to an active GastroPlus license is required for these hands-on training experiences. We will also be offering our traditional paid workshops in early 2022. Our introductory GastroPlus workshops are designed to provide students with the necessary information and skills needed to execute PBPK modeling and simulations, and will provide a foundational understanding of GastroPlus software. The Advanced Pharmaceutical Development Workshop is geared towards scientists working in pharm dev who need an in-depth understanding of how formulation affects the highly interactive processes of dissolution, precipitation, gastrointestinal transit, absorption, first-pass metabolism, and pharmacokinetics. We're also very excited to introduce our first applications-based workshop. This will be a first-in-human focused GastroPlus workshop in which an in-depth exploration of PBPK theory, execution, and application of the software as it pertains to first-in-human predictions will be shared with you. For all paid workshops, access to the software, presentations, and training materials will be provided via our virtual learning environment. Register now as seats are limited for all courses, and the link is provided below for your convenience.